Hello everyone. Each one of us face such problems about who, what, where, when, why and how. We have to decide about all these questions. Today our topic is one of the leading qualities, that is decision making, and in this chapter we will discuss about some techniques or process that would help us in taking decisions. All of us have to make various decisions at every stage of our lives. Some decisions are very complex, means difficult, and we have to consider about many things before we arrive at a conclusion or before we take a decision. Critical thinking plays a large part in making decisions or taking our decision. Now, what is critical thinking? This is the ability to access and go for the right action. The process of decision making. In decision making, first of all, we will make a list of all the choices that we have. After making the list of the choices, we will think about the consequences of the choices or the result or the effect of the choices. Then we will think about the values included in it. After thinking about the values, we will think about the feelings of ourselves as well as of others. Then we will collect additional information about it. Then we will think about the people who can help us. After that, we will take a decision. After taking the decision, we will assess the decision, that whether we have taken a right decision or wrong decision. Here are some tips to take right decision. First of all, you will make a list of all the options that you have. Be sure of the outcome that you want to achieve. Means you will fix a target or you will fix an outcome. Try to visualize the consequences of your decision. Means you will visualize, you will imagine what will be the effect of your decision. Then make a list of all the advantages and disadvantages of your decision. Get the opinion of people whom you trust. So you can take the help of the people whom you trust. Once the decision is made or taken, stand by it. Means go with it. Let's learn the process of decision making with the help of this real life situation. Suppose you are alone in your best friend's house. She goes and opens the drawer in his or her parents' wardrobe and pulls out a few hundred rupees without their knowledge and invites you to join him or her on a shopping spree. What do? First step is choices. There are two choices. You will agree or disagree. Next are consequences. Will accompany. What are the consequences? You will accompany in a stealing. Next, values. Morally it is wrong. Next are feelings. You will feel bad or dejected when you are indulged in stealing. Your parents will also dislike this. Additional information. This is additional information that your parents will also dislike this. Then people who can help you in this situation, that are elders. Next is decision. You will decide to disagree the proposal. This is your decision. And now you will assess that what is your decision. This is the assessment of your decision, that after taking this decision you will feel happy or relaxed. So in this way you can take a right decision. Thank you. Have a nice day.